ever wondered about the spectrum of unusual vegetables that exist beyond the ones you encounter every day? Our planet is teeming with a vast array of vegetables, many of which remain shrouded in mystery to most of us. This biodiversity isn't just fascinating, it's also crucial for our nutrition and the sustainability of our agriculture. From the rainbow hues of heirloom tomatoes to the peculiar shapes of gourds, there's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered. So, prepare to marvel at the world of unusual vegetables that awaits exploration. Today, delve into the realm of the strange yet nutritious. Picture this: a vegetable that's a visual mix of a Christmas tree and a cauliflower, with a flavor that's nuttier and sweeter than broccoli. That's Romanesco broccoli for you, a stunning example of nature's fractal patterns. Then there's kohlrabi, a member of the cabbage family. Its name translates to cabbage turnip in German, and it offers a crisp, juicy texture, akin to a radish but sweeter. And let's not forget the yard-long beans, also known as Chinese long beans. Despite their name, they average only about half a yard, but their mild flavor and flexible texture make them a versatile addition to many dishes. By exploring these unusual vegetables, we not only enrich our diet with varied nutrients, but also embark on a culinary adventure, experimenting with new tastes and recipes. Isn't it fascinating how nature surprises us with such unique forms and flavors? Now that you've been introduced to these exotic veggies, how about incorporating them into your diet? Step out of your comfort zone and try growing these vibrant varieties at home. Turn gardening into an exciting adventure. After all, variety is the spice of life, isn't it? Exploring the world of unusual vegetables surely opens up new horizons of taste and nutrition. Biodiversity enriches our diets, and trying new vegetables adds an adventurous twist. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this journey of vegetable discovery, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Here's to exploring the unusual and expanding our culinary horizons together.